Namaste. Hello everyone. Welcome to Mysticistess. How are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Stay safe. In this video, I'll be sharing some of the basic information about the sun sign Cancer. I'll include the tarot card readings about the personality, past, and future of this sign. So let's get into the video. Hello Cancer. This video is all about you. Let us start by looking at the meaning of each letters in your sign. C is for caring, A is for ambitious, N is for natural, C is for creative, E is for emotional, and R is for resilient. You are emotional, intuitive, and practically psychic. Cancer hates small talk. That's why social gatherings can be very irritating and overwhelming for Cancers. You prefer to spend time in small groups where you find it comfortable. Cancer loves creativity and needs space for yourself. You like activities which are creative like painting and also love to read and write. Cancer loves connecting to God and may find comfort in religious or spiritual practices. Even though crabs can be intense, you also have a funny side. You are good observers and like to mimic people around you. The best quality of Cancer. You are real. You don't like much drama in your life. You prefer to express your emotions and feelings instead of hiding. You are so caring and comfortable people to be with. Weakness. Your moody nature can sometimes push people away from you. Your mood changes can also affect your love life and work life. But you can't control it because your sign is like that, Cancer. So in short, you are practically psychic. You can intuit whether a situation is good or bad before anyone says about it. You are passionate lovers and caring partners. Cancer finds solace and pleasure in nature. You prefer to spend time alone more than being in crowded places. You are incredibly loyal and you also have a fun side. Now let us see what the tarot cards has to tell about your past, future, and your personality. So Cancer, these are the 3 sets. This one is about your personality, the second set is about your past, and the third one is about your future. So let's open the cards and see. So this set contains the cards about your personality, Cancer. Let's open the cards and see. These are the cards, Cancer. So this shows that you're very emotional and you're also very caring. You are kinda nostalgic than most of the other signs, Cancer. That is because you cherish all the good memories from your past, and it is also very difficult for you to move on from the bad ones. You are the type of people who would go to any extent for love, as this card shows. And I would say that the one whom you are in a relationship now, or maybe in future, are really lucky because you are amazing partners, Cancer. You are really caring, loyal, and you are very dedicated. You love family life. You're very creative and interested in doing things that excites you. And you don't like to stick on to something so ordinary. Maybe like a monotonous job or something you have to do repeatedly. You'll easily get bored of that. You always like to stay in a comfort zone. And you do things that excites you or makes you feel happy and relaxed. So that was about your personality in short, Cancer. Now let's see about the set which contains your past. So this is the set that contains the cards about your past, Cancer. Let's open the cards and see. So these are the cards, Cancer. It shows rejection and sadness. I think you must have faced a rejection in your past, maybe from your crush or a job which you wanted to do and you couldn't. This must have caused severe sadness in your life. And as the cards here shows, you must also have been having trouble in trusting people because of the past incidences. You must have been a really good learner, maybe at your workplace or school or college, and it shows success related to education. This can mostly be for students, I think. You're really studious and quick learner. So yes, that was the page from your past. Now let's see about your future, Cancer. So this set contains the cards which shows your future, Cancer. Let's open the cards and see. So these are the cards that shows your future. I can see that the near future will bring a lot of changes in your financial status, mostly positive ones, I guess. and you are expecting for something good to happen for a long time, and it is possible that it will happen in the near future. Generally, it is showing that you won't face much problem in your health, but a risk factor is there. There are chances of getting some diseases because of stress and tension. So try to be more concerned about your health in order to avoid that risk. Do your best to remain positive and in a healthy state of mind. So yes, you are innovative and your new ideas will be appreciated. And you will be rewarded with the reward you deserve. Then it also shows that you will achieve success in something which you are aiming for, maybe right now, or which you're working on right now, or even you're planning to do in the near future. It shows success. So work hard on that. So yes, that was about you, Cancer. Now let's see your ruling planet and ruling elements, also some other information related to you. Your ruling planet is Moon. You are the Moon child, Cancer. It represents creativity, beauty, and intelligence. Your ruling element is water. It represents emotion and care. Your spirit color is silver. Your lucky gems are ruby and pearl. Your love matches are Taurus and Pisces. Some of the famous Cancer personalities are Selena Gomez, Ariana Grande, Priyanka Chopra, Sylvester Stallone, and Katrina Kaif. So that was for today's video. Until we meet again, peace out.